Before watching Uncut Gems, I was like this. After coming out of the film, I was like this.
My brain is full to bursting. If I have to memorize a single order, I think I'm getting...
Uncut Gems is just like all the anxiety attacks exemplified. थक गया मैं इस फिल्म को देखते देखते. ऐसे इमेजिन कर सकते हो कि सारे स्ट्रेस और टेंशन को आपने बॉटल अप किया हो और एक फिल्म के फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट किया हो. ये डायरेक्टेड बाय द सैफ्टी ब्रदर्स है एंड स्टार्स एडम सैंडलर, जूलिया फॉक्स एंड Idina Menzel.
Please welcome the wickedly talented one and only Adele Dazeem.
Adam Sandler gets a bad reputation for his comedy movies. However, that doesn't sully his image, I feel, because ये मेरे बचपन का one of my favorite actors था and still remains so. He had a steady stream of films that were palatable for the normal audience as well as the family audience, and he enraptured audiences in America and the world alike, and that really shows the pull of his stardom. But Grown Ups 2 देख के मुझे तो एक mini seizure ही हो गया, and I'm still coping up with the horrors. But given the right script, he can really pull off a dramatic role, just like he did with Punch Drunk Love and Reign Over Me, which again only goes on to show that reinforces the notion that comedy actors are actually terrific in dramatic movies. Case in point, Robin Williams. He also had a pretty balanced set of films, both in comedy as well as dramatic films, and even got an Oscar for it. He plays Howard, a jeweler who gets his hands on an Ethiopian black opal. काफी ट्रिपी सीक्वेंसेस है इन्वॉल्विंग दिस ओपल, और फोटो माइक्रोग्राफी यूज करके इन सीक्वेंसेस को कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है, एंड इट फेल्ट वेरी विसरल एंड रियल. नाउ केविन गार्नेट, द NBA स्टार, becomes entranced by the opal, believing that it houses good luck for him. So starts the escapades and screw-ups of Howard. The pacing is frenetic, and the camera always hovers over the characters, making you feel claustrophobic and breathless. Howard is torn between his wife and his girlfriend and has an awkward relationship with his children. The movie is like a tower of wine glasses. कभी भी topple हो सकता है. The tension is always menacing. Howard बहुत ही charming है, despite the fact that he is an A-grade asshole. Adam Sandler infuses a lot of wit and personality into the character, making us root for him, even though he's constantly making a cascading list of bad decisions. You can feel the tensions mounting and the unbearable weight of the outcome of his gambles. Now, Julia Fox, who plays the role of his girlfriend, is actually a newcomer, and she delivers an impassioned performance. Yaqeen nahi hua ki this was her first film. She actually acts like she's a very experienced actress. Idina Menzel clearly can let it go because she has no residual feelings for Howard. Now that's some cold shit, but that's mostly Howard's fault. The ending is polarizing, but मुझे perfect लगा because of how emotional and realistic it was. आपका mind blown हो जाएगा nevertheless. Howard एक certified gambling addict है, but he has a knack for winning large amounts of money, and he knows the exact procedure to game the system. He owes a lot of people a lot of money, and that always hits him back. His plans always get derailed because one or the other loan sharks always keep on harassing him, torturing him, tossing him in the trunk of their car, or bloodying his nose with a punch, and that's why his life keeps on spiraling down and down as the movie progresses. You can really feel everything slipping away from him, और आप उसके साथ sympathize करने लग जाते हो, even though his character does not deserve even an ounce of sympathy. That's the magic of Adam Sandler. He keeps you rooted to the character no matter what his actions are, even though you know he's cheating on his wife, he's unfair to his children, he's even unfair to his girlfriend and treats her like shit, but she always still stands by her side. And that's really endearing because it's really fascinating how such a grey shaded character can really, pull a lot of love from the audience. Now that is really a monumental achievement, and that really testifies to Adam Sandler's acting abilities. He has been ridiculed and usko Razzie Awards milte ja rahe. I think he is the most nominated Razzie Award artist of all time, but still that did not deter him, and he bounced back to make such a masterpiece film, and that should be really applauded. Now मैंने काफी नेगेटिव पब्लिक रिसेप्शन देखा है इस फिल्म के लिए. That was from a niche audience maybe that don't get the film or really didn't like them. Okay, I respect the opinion. But इसको अकेडमी से भी बिल्कुल कुछ भी adoration नहीं मिला and it was really ignored and put on the sidelines. And to all the haters, I say,
I disagree. I disagree, Gary.
but जो भी हो, Adam Sandler's reputation is really firmly fortified. And इस फिल्म ने एकदम revolutionize कर दिया कैरेक्टर को. I would say that Adam Sandler should do more films like this. When given the right script, he really delivers the magic and he really delivers the goods. So you can see the results for yourself. Uncut Gems almost amassed $50 million in box office dollars, and that was with a limited theater release and a lot of competition at the Christmas time box office. I guess Star Wars Rise of Skywalker, Jumanji 2 all were vying for the top box office spot, but this was really under the radar but still got the people's attention where it was needed. Now that is a total win in my book. Uncut Gems gets a 9 out of 10 and a panic attack guarantee from me. Now मैंने 1 mark काटा है क्योंकि he actually beats up The Weeknd in this film and he gets into a brawl with him, and I won't tolerate any kind of slander against The Weeknd. Let's see what these Safdie brothers have in store for us, and I hope you guys all watch the film because I don't think you want a Grown Ups 3, do you? So please do watch the film to avoid that catastrophe. And watch it on your friend's Netflix account because मुझे आपकी situation के बारे में पता है. You know a guy who knows a guy who has a Netflix account and you're sucking all the Netflix goodness like a bloody leech. But I won't judge you. Watch it however you want. And watch my channel because you're gonna get a steady stream of content if you keep on supporting the channel. So please do like, share, subscribe most importantly, and comment what your favorite Adam Sandler pick is. So that's it for today. Bye bye and keep watching such amazing films.